What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mike Unhinged. And if you guys are having a problem with a 2014 to 2015 Silverado like I'm having today, this is probably going to be the culprit of your temperature not showing. If your temperature is showing 0 or 100 and it's not moving from there, this is going to be your culprit right here. Super easy fix. I'm going to show you how to do that today. So all we have to do is very simple. There's going to be a little line that goes here. It's going to be going to connected to this little air box here. You got to disengage it from the engine itself. It's just a few clips right here. So once you do that, you kind of have to give it a little wiggle and pull out. It should pop up right away. There's another one on the other side. I'll show you right here. Once you disconnect it, you could just easily just twist it away. And then after that, the only thing just keeping it fastened is just this little flathead little holder here. I forgot what these things are called, the bracers. There's another one here on the throttle body. You just remove it from there. Once you're able to do that, I've already done that to mine. You should be able to just go ahead and take this off, which will give you complete access to the temperature sensor itself. It's right next to the throttle body. Very easy. This is going to be a 19mm socket, preferably the long socket. That way it could just slip in and you could do it really easily. In, out, super cheap sensor. I went to AutoZone. I bought it for what, $35, but on Amazon they also sell it. Very good quality stuff. AC Delco is what I went with. That's the original manufacturer brand that they use for this specific car. But if you guys want to go ahead and go with the Amazon choice, which is also a very good choice. This is not my first temperature sensor I have replaced. They work just fine. And I believe Amazon also sells an option for AC Delco as well. If this was helpful for you in any way, shape, and form, please leave a like and subscribe. This should fix one of two things. One, the gauge inside of the car should work perfectly now, and it should regulate the temperature sensor properly. And also, your fans are probably gonna go back to down to normal speed. So if you're having problems with the with the gauge inside, you're also probably having problems with your fan, which is probably super high, and it sounds like there's a turbine inside of your engine. That's probably going to be why as well, because your temperature sensor is not working. So now everything is going to be regulated perfectly. And again, like I said, if this helped you in any way, shape, or form, please leave a like and subscribe, guys. Let's go.